Hello student. In the last classes we have already started exercise 10.4 and we had done up to question number 8. Today I'll start from question number 9. Your question number 9 is find the area of the triangle with vertices A 1 1 2, B 2 3 5 and C 1 1 5. So here you see it is given that the A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle and we have to get the area of the triangle. There are different methods of getting the area of the triangle, but now here I am going to use the cross product. Cross product, that is vector method of getting the area. And what is that formula? I hope you remember. That is half of the magnitude of what? The two adjacent sides of a vector. So first our aim is to get the value of any two adjacent side with co-initial sides. Adjacent side uliaba kintu mon koriba tumalkor co-initial vectors hobo lagibo. At an angular point they must act. So here as I shown in the figure, this is a triangle I have drawn, not compulsory. I am just using the values of A, B and C. I want to get initial vector, co-initial vectors BA and BC. Okay. I want to get the vector at the point A, B. You may consider here also A, B, AC or C, A, C, A, C, B. That way, any two vector, you just find out. Here I want to get BA. That is, what is BA? As you know the position, that is vertices or the position vectors of this one. Component, what coordinate of A. So we can write down its position vector. So, by definition, what is BA vector? We can get the value of BA vector by finding out what? Position vector of the terminal point minus position vector of the initial. That is PV of A minus PV of B. PP means position vector. I just put the value of A. What is A position vector? I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap. So, I have written here. And B position vector. Coordinates are 2, 3, 5. So, it will be 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap. Then subtract it 1 minus same component. 1 minus 2 gives you minus 1. Here it is 1 minus 3 gives you minus 2 and 2 minus 5 will give you minus 3. That means we have got the value of the vector BA bar, BA cross, the arrow means that's one is 1 minus I cap minus 2J cap minus 3K cap. Next I want to get the value of the vector BC bar. How to get BC bar? Same method, position vector of C minus position vector of B, which is 1 minus 1 minus 2 directly here I have written. I just skip this step in this part. Second, a first step to skip course. So directly I have done the subtraction. That is what? 1 minus 2 I cap, 5 minus 3 J cap, 5 minus 5 K cap. Right? And doing a calculation, we got it minus I cap. This is 2 minus 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 J cap, and 5 minus 5 is 0 K cap. Now, as I know, the formula of getting the area is half of modulus of this two vector. So BA cross BC. So let us find out the cross product of BA cross BC. BA cross BC cross product, their component form. So write down I cap, J cap, K cap. Then component of BA, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And component of BC, that is minus 1, 2 and 0. Then expanded. We have expanded here. On expansion, we got it I cap. 0 minus minus plus 6 J cap. Hope you remember already bahut bar korisu monot porise sage tumalkor. This is 0 minus minus plus minus is minus 3 and K cap. Deleting the row and the column, we got it 1 into minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2, that is 2 minus that will give you minus 4K cap. So we have got the value of the vector is 6I cap plus 3J cap minus 4K cap. Therefore, area of the triangle is what? Half of the vector magnitude. Actually, it should be BA cross BC, not AB. It should be BA. Okay, make this correction. So BA cross BC is equal to this vector. So magnitude of this vector is equal to what? Half of 6 square plus 3 square plus minus 4 square. Okay, the magnitude will be given by this one. Then do the calculation. This is 6 square is 36. 9 plus 16, which is equal to, on doing calculation, half of 161. That is square unit is the result. Okay, please you do this correction. Instead of AB, you write down BA. Okay, so here this question number 9 solution is completed. Now let us go to the solution of question number 10. Find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent, here I forget to give E. Okay, again do this calculation correction. Whose adjacent sides are determined by the vector A bar is this one and B bar is this one. In this case, you see, you have to get the area of the parallelogram. adjacent sides are directly given, not the position vector. Don't confuse these things. আগৰটো তোমালোকৰ position vector দিয়া আছিলে কাৰণ তুমি sides কিটা ওলাই ল'ব লাগিছিলে ইয়াতে কিন্তু directly এবাৰ আৰু বিবাৰে sides represent কৰিছে so আমি কেনেকৈ কৰিম parallelogram টো কি হয় 2 times of the area of the triangle আসলতে আমি area of the parallelogramৰ পৰা triangle টো আধা কৰিছিলো হয়নে গতিকে আমি ইয়াতে ডাইৰেক্টলি adjacent side দুটা ক্ৰছ প্ৰডাক্টৰ ম্যাগনিটিউড ললে হৈ যাব সো আমাক ডাইৰেক্ট ভেক্টৰ কিটা দিয়া আছে সো area of the parallelogram is given by modulus of a bar cross b bar okay let us find out what is a bar and b bar etu a bar dhorisu etu a bar dhorisu etu b bar dhorisu so eta moi component form of dia ase let us try to get the value of a bar cross b bar is I cap j cap k cap then component of a bar what is component what are the components of a bar 1 minus 1 3 so it's 9 then b bar component 2 minus 7 1 so let us write it then I have done the calculation of the determinant expand the determinant that is I cap it what is there here itu bad dia minus 1 minus plus 9 21 then minus j cap itu product kora 1 minus 6 right k cap itu bad dia then minus 7 minus plus 2 okay on doing calculation 20 I cap 5 j cap and here minus 5 k cap then you have to get the magnitude so area of the parallelogram is given by magnitude so it is 20 square plus 5 square plus minus 5 square 20 square is equal to 400 here you can write down instead of writing minus 5 I have put here plus 5 square actually meaning is same because squaring give you positive so better to give minus sign tumalke minus 5 boli likhi koriba eku nohoy ha 400 plus 25 that is equal to what 450 which on simplification give you 15 root 2 okay I have just here shown the calculation how I have done 2 divide korisu ami palu 225 then 5d korisu 45 ako 5d korisu 9 and it can be written as 3 into 3 so 3 5s are 15 come out and root over 2 will be inside bracket okay so here this is question number solution of question number 10 is completed now I just go to the solution of question number 11 so let us see what is our question number 11 so here it is given let the vectors a bar and b bar let the vectors a bar and b bar be such that magnitude of a bar is given as 3, magnitude of b bar is given as root 2 by 2 and a bar cross b bar is a unit vector. Cross product is given as a unit vector. That means magnitude of a bar cross b bar is once given. If the angle between a bar and b bar is pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2. Tumalko kita angle to lage. So tumalko ita cross product dia ase gotike ami angle ulabole cross productor formula to use korim. So amar hatot ki dia ase magnitude of a bar is given magnitude of b bar is given and also it is given a bar cross b bar is a unit vector that means we understand it magnitude of a bar cross b bar will be 0 now theta to angle dhori lelu the theta be the angle between the a bar and b bar then by definition what is sin angle between them ami eta mon kora amar cross productor value dia ase kare cross productor formula to uliaso angle uliabole karone okay so sin theta is magnitude of a bar cross b bar by magnitude of a magnitude of b which is 1 substitute the values it is 3 and b magnitude is 2 by 3 which cancel out and 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 means sin value sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 so theta is equal to pi by 4 this is our answer that means your correct option is equal to what this one this one is your b okay so I have written here the answer is b pi by 4 now let us go to the next question number 12 and this is the last question of this exercise okay so question number 12 is what the area of the rectangle having the vertices A, B, C and D with position vectors these are the position vectors of A, B, C, D dia ase position vector mon kora respectively find the area and you know the rectangle is nothing but a parallelogram okay with the angle is equal to 90 degree all angle equal to 90 degree asolote to parallelogram hoy taman tumalke etia area of this rectangle labo lage mane area of the parallelogram lage so what I am going to do as the position vectors of A, B, C, D corner points are given, I'll try to get the two vector with co-initial vectors. I mean, jikun eta point at co-initial vectors pur ulai lo. Position vector, agor to jeneke vector dia ase, etu confuse no koriba. Ketiaba amak vector dia thake, sometime the position vectors are given. If vectors, that means the lines are given, we can do the calculation directly. But if the position vectors are given, then what to do? You have to first find out the vectors and after do that only, you can do the calculation. So here at this point I just want to get the vector. That is I want to get the value of BA cross BC. Okay. So BA cross BC means what? Now I am going to do the calculation. BA is what? Position vector of B minus position vector of A. Substitution gives you 2 I cap. Similarly then BC I want to get it BC. So BC is equal to what? PV of C minus PV of B. Put the values and we got it. Then I just want to get the cross product BA cross BC, I cap, J cap, K cap. Here only I cap is there, BA I cap value is there, but there is no J cap and K cap, so their component will be 0. So 2 0 0, here it is. J cap is there, so 0 minus 1 1, and doing the calculation we got it minus 2 K cap. Therefore magnitude of A bar BA cross BC, it should be cross. Okay, do all this correction, huh? So here it is minus 2 K cap, which is 4, that is equal to 2. So we have got our answer is what? 2 square, that is option C. So here it's a solution is completed. Okay, thank you. Next class we'll do the remaining parts, that is a miscellaneous chapter I'll start. Thank you.